Hey Phil, I just wanted to give you a quick viewpoint of what I got going on over here that I was talking to you about on the phone. Um, this is the software that controls our systems. It's built into the unit, but I just kind of wanted to show you something right quick. Um, it comes preloaded with some pretty standard control points, but you can edit them all. But I want to have a little fun here with you for a minute. We use the 9.5 Super Pave. It's going to populate your control points. You can edit these if you need to. You can plot them. There's no restricted zone. If there was, you could plot them. Maximum density, you can plot that, so on and so forth. But what I wanted to show you was we want to edit one and we want to make one. So I already did one that was your name, but we're gonna do a different one. We're gonna open a control point. It's a standard control point. And we've got the Super Pave. What do we say? We said 9.5. So that's the standard mix. So, call it medium. But let's for the sake of conversation show a little bit about what the software does, so we can say we want to change the mix design to look a little bit differently than what the median split is. And we're going to check it, make sure it's okay.
Plot values have been accepted.
And now we're going to save it. And we're going to call this math. Okay, so you see now up here, you see that it's saved. Now we're going to go to the job mix predictor.
Please select File to open.
That's your file right there. There's your design. Okay.
Please select File to open.
This data in here is actual data from Pike Industries. Today is the 17th, so let's see what we can do. 17. And we need to
please select File to open.
Screen sand 17. And
please select File to open.
Wash sand. And I'm just kind of making this up as we're going along here because this is obviously something that I've not made before. So we're going to
please select File to open.
And what do? We did a wash sand, a screen sand. Let's do this. 17. Okay. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4 aggregates.
4 files will be auto-mixed. Do you wish to continue? Optionally, you can select amount of AC fill and price of each file in the mix.
Let's say $10 a ton for that one, $12 a ton for that one, $14 a ton for that one, and $16 a ton for this one. And again, I'm just making these numbers up. What do we say? I think we said 5.3% AC. And the binder was 150 delivered. Fuel cost, I think today is like $2.65, we'll say, I believe, something like that. And we're using 2.2 gallons per production ton. Now you see, it's just run 104 million possible combinations. Okay, so what is that? What's happening right now? Let me move this out of the way here. Bring this over here. So what you see, this is the two things. Look at the price difference there between passing mix designs, $27.99, $24.82. That's pretty substantial. So if you say, all right, I want to see my data This is every possible passing combination that will work for this with these mix designs. And there is, let's see how many. $68,023 possible passing mix designs out of all of what we just did. So if you sort, let's sort by cost and range. $24.82 is your minimum cost. Your range is how many mics off you are. 20 is not bad at all. Let's sort by range then cost. $26.11 is your most accurate one at $6.39 mics off. And you can save this report, of course. So that's just a little bit of a quick snapshot of how we do it. If you wanted to do it old school, you can do it manually. This is flashing over here because you're at over 100%. So you would adjust this back down, to get that back where you want it. So it's all very simple, very friendly, easy to use system. And this is the software that, frankly, I'm going to use to help you out. So I look forward to it. It's going to be a fun opportunity. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you for using the ACE Auto Grade.